Badger buddies. Let's play a guessing game today. I'm going to give you some clues and see if you can guess the farm animal. When I'm bored, I like to play in mud. And when I eat, I tend to make a mess. Can you guess what animal I am? I'm a pig. I make yummy milk, and I'm also black and white. I move pretty slow. What animal am I? I'm a cow. I wear these metal shoes and sleep in stables at night. Wearing this saddle helps you hold on tight. Who am I? I'm a horse. My eggs are round and shiny, and my feathers are oh so light. I sleep in these houses called coops. Can you guess my type? I'm a chicken. During the day, I eat a lot of grass, and my wool can make a pillow. When I get happy, I say, "Bah!" Can you tell me who I am? I'm a sheep. I am small and cute, like Plucky Badger. You play with my toy while you get cleaner. My favorite thing to say is quack, quack. What's my name? I'm a duck. I love to play fetch to get exercise, and my tail wags when I'm excited. I can love you forever and be your best friend. Can you name any other that's better? I'm a dog. You did amazing guessing the farm animals today. Let's go over them one more time. Pig, cow, horse, chicken, sheep, duck, dog. Until the next video, see you later, Badger buddies.